back to the calipers again. All the pistons have come out, which was great fun because they were really bad. Anyway, they're all out. Just going through cleaning at the moment, just checking that I've got the new seals the right size, which I have. This is for the Triumph trophy again, sorry, 900, 1996. They're the old ones there, which you could reuse in some cases, but a lot of them, especially the, because that's the dust one, you know, the dust seal that goes at the top, and that one is the scraper seal, and you've got to get that round. Whoops, sorry. You've got to get that round the right way. You probably can't see it here, and I know a lot of people know, but you've got to get it around the right way. So when you bring your finger up, you can feel it. So it's obviously sealing as the pressure's against it. But that goes in the lower groove. There's a big groove there, and then the upper groove, that one, that goes there. Obviously 2 different size pistons, but they've come up very nicely. I'll make sure they're absolutely clean as a whistle. No dodgy edges or anything like that. It's all got to be clean before I finally put the seals in. But I tell you what, not bad. I think it's all doable. So anyway, steady process. That's just the rear one. That was really bad. Yeah, that was bad. But anyway, it's all going to work. It's all going to work. That's the rear one there. Others to go. New set there. I'll just say there's the old set there, and some of them, whoops, some of them aren't too bad. And then I've got the rear brake set there, which is actually quite nice because it comes with, this is for the rear brake, comes with the new rubber bits and bobs, which that goes in and out with the brake and absolutely destroyed. The rubber bits were completely destroyed, so I've got some nice new rubber seals there, cap, and even got a bleeds nipple there, which is lovely. And the new set, which will be good, go in there. They look the right size to me, so that's okay. Yeah, because this is the old bits of the rubber that came off. Completely destroyed, absolutely just luckily. I thought, oh no, keep the muck out from the road you don't want to get it into your brakes. So if we can bring these back to really high standard, I think they'll work fine. Been through the brake pads now very carefully, leveling them up, bringing them up. Yeah, you could brass backs, which is nice. You could buy new ones, but why not say that one looks like an elephant? What do you think? I think it does. I don't know. Maybe I like elephants, but it just looks, first impression as an elephant. That's the rear pad. Yeah, just get one of those. Just get one of those, and then the inner one, which is slightly different. Yeah. And all ones. Then you get that one for the rear one. So it's those two. Yeah, those two for the rear. So they've come up really well, and as I say, again, you could replace them, but there's a lot of miles on there, and if you're not going touring, high mileage, and they're all within MOT standard, which they are, they will work perfect. Certainly work a little bit better than they have done, which is not at all, and jammed on. Yeah, so there we go. Right, well, thanks for watching. I thought I'd just give you an update with the Triumph. There's a lot to do with the Triumph, a lot to do. Yeah, friends going through the wiring at the moment, which is great. We replaced the spark plugs, topped up the oil because the oil was good condition. Some of it is actually very good condition. It's just the outside of it and everything about it needs going through. So anyway, it's not a rush project. We just get it perfect. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, because I do have problems with that. No one likes my videos, which if you don't like them, please don't tick it. I understand that. It's just sometimes we all forget, and I know I do on videos I even like. So thanks for watching. Keep me posted. Bye.